Thank you for joining us for the latest news. On-time news, current, factual, accurate and trustworthy. Now here are the headlines.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness pays tribute to Jill Stewart. Man killed over dog bite. Alleged teen gangster held in operation. Rats, COVID-19 and mosquitoes among health issues in St. Thomas. Regional headlines. PM of Trinidad says he is willing to give monetary incentives to cops with integrity. International headlines. United States nuclear submarine stops in Guantanamo Bay in Cuba. In health news, we begin an in-depth look at the lifestyle disease diabetes. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has paid tribute to Jill Stewart. Jill Stewart, the wife of ATL Group and Sandals Group chairman Adam Stewart, died recently. Here is a portion of the statement. I extend my deepest condolences and prayers. We mourn the loss of a remarkable woman whose selfless love touched the lives of so many. May Jill's memory forever inspire us to embrace life fully, to love unconditionally, and to cherish every precious moment with our loved ones. Adam Stewart posted the announcement on social media. It is almost unimaginable that it has come to this. Still, with unbearable grief and a broken heart, I let you know that my wife Jill, the love of my life, my best friend of 28 years, and mother of our 3 wonderful children passed away peacefully and surrounded by love, he said. From the moment we received her terrible diagnosis a little more than a year ago, Jill was certain she wanted to share her journey, our family's journey, wherever it led. Opening herself to this community was brave and generous. Just like Jill. In St. James. The St. James Police is appealing for information in regards to the murder 40-year-old Omar Nichols, otherwise called Ras. Nichols, who hailed from Top Hill, St. James, was shot and killed after his dog bit another relative. It is alleged Omoe Largi shot and killed Nichols following a dispute arising from the dog-biting incident. Residents of the community are urged to call the emergency numbers 911, 311 or the NIB tip line at 811. Alleged teen gangster held during an operation in St. Andrew. During an operation in Waterhouse, St. Andrew, on Thursday, members of the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force detained a 17-year-old kid. The adolescent is wanted for intentionally hurting someone, according to the police, and is connected to the Capture Land gang that operates in several areas of the St. Andrew South Police Division. According to the police, he is thought to be a top-tier member of the gang that has been implicated in a number of serious crimes in St. Andrew South. The task team is allegedly focusing on many criminal organizations in St. Andrew South and other high-traffic areas of the island, according to the Jamaica Constabulary. St. Thomas. COVID-19 is seemingly making a comeback in St. Thomas during Thursday's monthly meeting of the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation. Medical Officer of Health Dr. Doyen Smith stressed that COVID-19 remains a priority for the health department. He noted, however, that the virus is not concentrated within any specific community. Of the 37 active cases, we have 7 admissions on the ward at the Princess Margaret Hospital currently. I want to take the opportunity to remind those among us that have any kind of illness to ensure that they are wearing their masks, washing their hands frequently, among other preventative measures, Smith said. He also warned of mosquitoes during this time. It is likely to have the outbreak of mosquito-borne illnesses, Smith warned. The St. Thomas Health Department has actively been working to minimize opportunities for mosquitoes to breed. Of the 9,619 premises they have inspected within the parish, 14% tested positive for the presence of the pests. Smith explained that, as a parish, they should not exceed a 10% positivity rate. He assured councillors that his team is actively working on a daily basis to demolish breeding sites and get the numbers down. He has implored residents to search their homes weekly to identify possible breeding sites and to accommodate vector controls teams when they do home visits within the various communities. The issue of four-legged pests was also brought up as it is believed that the town centre is being overrun by rodents. However, the health official updated the council on the department's planned proposal for a rodent control program.
Welcome to our regional news segment.
The Prime Minister of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, Dr. Keith Rowley, said he is willing to pay more to officers who make up vetted units in the police force. He was speaking on the campaign trail ahead to the August 14 elections. He was quoted as saying that there are too many criminals in the police service. He revealed that the American government will assist with the formation of the new units. Here is a quote from his speech. "The ones that have integrity that you want, you got to protect them. You got to increase their numbers because we are now in a life and death struggle with the criminals in this country."
Welcome to our international news segment.
A provocative escalation, that is how the Cuban foreign minister referred to the stop in Guantanamo Bay by the United States nuclear submarine, USS Pasadena. It is reported as a scheduled logistics stop. In a statement, the Cuban official states, "The Ministry of Foreign Affairs strongly rejects the arrival of a nuclear-powered submarine in Guantanamo Bay on July 5, 2023, that stayed until July 8 at the U.S. military base located there, which is a provocative escalation of the United States, whose political or strategic motives are not known. The presence of a nuclear submarine there at this moment makes it imperative to wonder what is the military reason behind this action in this peaceful region of the world."
On now to our health segment.
This evening we begin our series on diabetes, in particular type 2 diabetes, but we will take a look at 21st century lifestyle as a precursor. Living a healthy lifestyle has become increasingly important in the 21st century, as we are faced with numerous health challenges such as obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Fortunately, there are many ways to maintain good health and prevent these diseases. One of the most important aspects of healthy living is a balanced diet. Eating a variety of whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, can provide the nutrients our bodies need to function properly and maintain a healthy weight. Avoiding processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of alcohol can also help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Another key factor in healthy living is regular exercise. Physical activity can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles and bones, reduce stress, and boost mood. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, along with strength training exercises at least twice a week. Getting enough sleep is also important for overall health. Adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, as sleep plays a critical role in maintaining mental and physical health. In addition to diet, exercise, and sleep, there are other lifestyle factors that can impact health. Quitting smoking and avoiding exposure to secondhand smoke can greatly reduce the risk of lung cancer and other respiratory illnesses. Managing stress through meditation, yoga, or other relaxation techniques can also improve overall health and well-being. Finally, regular checkups with a healthcare professional can help identify and manage any health issues before they become serious. Keeping up with vaccinations and cancer screenings can also help prevent disease. In conclusion, living a healthy lifestyle in the 21st century involves a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, avoiding harmful substances, managing stress, and regular checkups with healthcare professionals. By taking these steps, we can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and enjoy a long and healthy life.